Forget walking for a moment. Yes, walking is good. It keeps you moving, it helps your heart, but if you are over 60 and trying to build muscle, stop muscle loss, and fight sarcopenia, walking alone is no longer enough. And here's the hard truth most seniors are never told. You can walk every single day and still keep getting weaker. You can walk miles and still lose muscle. You can walk for years and still struggle to stand up from a chair. Why? Because walking does not send a strong enough signal to aging muscles. Today's video will reveal 2 simple home exercises that do what walking cannot. These 2 movements activate deep muscle fibers, rebuild strength, improve balance, and directly fight sarcopenia. You don't need a gym, you don't need machines, you don't need to exhaust yourself. Just your body, a chair, and a few minutes a day. Stay with us till the end because I'll also explain how to do these exercises safely, how often to do them, and the biggest mistakes that silently destroy results. If you are new here, welcome. Our channel is dedicated to senior strength, independence, and healthy aging. Like and subscribe so you don't miss videos that can protect your body after 60. Comment your age below so we know who's watching. Now, let's begin. After the age of 60, the body enters a critical phase. Muscles shrink faster, strength declines quietly, balance weakens. This process is called sarcopenia, and it is one of the biggest reasons seniors lose independence. Sarcopenia doesn't just affect athletes, it affects everyone. It makes stairs harder, it makes standing painful, it increases fall risk. And here's something shocking. Walking does not stop sarcopenia. Walking mainly uses endurance muscles, not strength muscles. It does not challenge your muscles enough to grow or rebuild. Muscles only grow when they are asked to work against resistance. No resistance means no signal to grow. That's why so many seniors walk daily but still feel weaker every year. Now ask yourself honestly, have you noticed it becoming harder to stand up from a chair? Do your legs feel shaky? Do you feel tired after simple tasks? If yes, type yes in the comments so I know you're watching. If not, type no. This matters because awareness is the first step to reversal. Let's talk about what actually kills sarcopenia. Strength-based movement. Not intense workouts, not heavy weights, but functional strength exercises that tell your muscles you are still needed. Today, I'm sharing 2 exercises proven to activate the most important muscles for seniors. These muscles control standing, walking, balance, and stability. When these muscles get stronger, everything improves. The first exercise is called chair sit to stand. It looks simple, but it is one of the most powerful movements for seniors. This exercise directly targets the quadriceps, glutes, hips, and core. These muscles are the first to weaken with age and the most important for independence. Every time you stand up from a chair, your body performs this movement. If this movement becomes weak, life becomes difficult. Here's why chair sit to stand is more powerful than walking. Walking moves your legs forward, but it does not force them to lift your body weight. Sit to stand does. Your muscles must work against gravity. That resistance sends a clear signal to your brain and muscles to grow stronger. This is exactly what aging muscles need. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit on a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up. Slowly stand up without using your hands if possible, then slowly sit back down. The key word is slowly. Slow movement keeps muscles under tension longer, which builds strength. Start with 5 repetitions. Rest, then do another set if you can. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective. Now here's where many seniors go wrong. They rush the movement, or they use their hands too much, or they avoid the exercise because it feels challenging. But challenge is exactly what stops sarcopenia. If it feels slightly difficult, that means it's working. Over time, this exercise rebuilds leg strength, improves knee stability, protects the hips, and reduces fall risk. Studies show seniors who practice sit to stand regularly improve mobility and reduce dependency dramatically. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you practiced standing up with control?
Most people never do it intentionally, yet it's one of the most important movements of life. If this makes sense, tap the like button so more seniors can see this message. Now, let's move to the second exercise. This one is even more powerful for balance and deep muscle activation. It's called wall push-ups. Many seniors think push-ups are only for young people. That's wrong. Wall push-ups are safe, gentle, and extremely effective for seniors. This exercise strengthens the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, but more importantly, it strengthens postural muscles that keep you upright and stable. Why is this important for sarcopenia? Because muscle loss doesn't only happen in the legs. Upper body strength declines too. Weak arms make it harder to catch yourself during a fall. Weak shoulders affect posture and breathing. Wall push-ups activate these muscles without putting stress on joints. Here's how to do it. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on the wall at chest height. Step your feet slightly back, keep your body straight. Slowly bend your elbows and lean toward the wall, then push yourself back to the starting position. Again, slow movement is key. Start with 6 to 8 repetitions. Rest, then repeat if comfortable. That's it. Simple, safe, and effective. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you challenged your upper body safely? If the answer is never or long ago, you are not alone. Most seniors avoid upper body work because they think it's dangerous, but wall push-ups are one of the safest strength exercises available.
Let's talk about frequency. You don't need to do these exercises every day. 3 to 4 times a week is enough. Muscles grow during rest, not just movement. Doing them too often without rest can cause fatigue. Balance is key. Now let's talk about the science. Strength exercises activate muscle protein synthesis, the process that rebuilds muscle tissue. After 60, this process slows down, but resistance movement reactivates it. Studies show seniors who perform resistance exercises improve muscle mass, strength, and functional ability even in their 70s and 80s. Age does not stop muscle growth. Inactivity does. Another major benefit is hormone response. Strength exercises increase insulin sensitivity and improve the way your body uses nutrients. This helps muscles absorb protein better. Walking alone does not trigger this response strongly enough. Now let's talk about balance and fall prevention. Falls are one of the biggest threats to seniors. Strong legs and arms act like shock absorbers. Sit to stand improves leg control. Wall push-ups improve arm reaction and posture. Together, they create a protective system for your body. But there are mistakes you must avoid. Do not hold your breath during exercises. Breathe normally. Do not rush. Speed increases injury risk. Do not ignore pain. Mild effort is normal. Sharp pain is not. Stop if needed. Safety always comes first. Another mistake is inconsistency. Doing exercises once a week won't work. Muscles need repeated signals. Even small efforts, done regularly, create powerful results over time. Now let's talk about progression. After a few weeks, these exercises will feel easier. That's good. It means your muscles are adapting. You can then increase repetitions slightly or slow the movement further. Progression keeps muscles responding. Now, I want to ask you something important. Would you rather walk for an hour and still get weaker, or spend 10 minutes doing movements that protect your strength and independence? Think about that. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe to the channel. We share simple, science-backed strategies to stay strong after 60. One more thing. These exercises work best when paired with proper nutrition and sleep. Muscles rebuild when you rest. Poor sleep cancels progress. Hydration matters too. Muscles are mostly water. Dehydration increases weakness. Let's address fear. Many seniors are afraid of exercising. Fear of injury, fear of pain, fear of failure. But doing nothing is far more dangerous. Sarcopenia progresses faster with inactivity. Gentle strength training slows and even reverses it. Now, imagine this.
standing up without struggle, walking with confidence, carrying groceries without fear, getting out of bed feeling stable. This is not a dream. It's the result of sending the right signals to your muscles. These 2 exercises are not magic, they are tools, but used consistently, they are powerful tools. They rebuild strength where you need it most. Before we finish, type START in the comments if you are ready to begin these exercises this week. Commitment matters. Remember, walking is good for your heart, but strength is what keeps you independent. Don't choose one, choose what your body needs most. If you found value in this video, like it, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more senior strength content. We've selected 2 videos on your screen that will help you protect your muscles and balance. Click one and we'll continue this journey together.